All right, hello, welcome. This video is going over Chapter 3, Program 5, which is validating input. Basically, there's three different paths here. We can say thank you if they enter a valid age. If it's less than 0, we say please enter a number greater than 0. If it's greater than 110, we say please enter a number less than 110. Okay, and there's a lot of ways. If any else return, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so yeah, basically you could set this up a lot of different ways. I guess if we did it exactly the way it's written here, I would just do one like the kind of big if and else if statement. So basically the first one, actually let's do the scanner part. So we gotta do scanner, scan equals new scanner, system.in. And then I'm going to prompt them. So please enter your age. And then I'm going to scan it. So I'm going to make an age variable that does scan.nextInt. I have my import statement up there at the top for my scanner. Okay. And then basically, if we do it the way it's written, we say if age, let's look back here. So if it's between 0 and 110, say thank you. So if age is greater than or equal to 0, and it's less than or equal to 100, I'm going to system out print thank you. And I'm not doing curly braces because it's just a single line statement that I want to print here, so I'm not going to do it that way. All right, let's go to the next part then. So if it's less than 0, say please enter a number greater than 0. So else if age is less than 0, system out print please enter an age greater than 0. And if it's greater than 110, please enter a number less than 110. Okay, so else if age is less than 110, no, greater than 110, sorry. Say, please enter an age less than 110. Okay, and then basically, oops, this should be 110 there. This else part probably shouldn't really happen, all right? Because if I'm between 0 and 110, then I'm less than 0 or greater than 110. That covers everything, right? Every number has to either be between these two numbers, less than 0 or greater than 110. So really, we don't really need an else here. But sometimes what I'll do when I program, honestly, is I'll just put like an error, right? And so I guess I could follow directions and do whatever it says here. Please enter a number between 0 and 110. It's kind of like a default, I guess. But we could also do, I'm sorry, struggling to type and talk at the same time here. We could also just do like error to say that we hit an error in the program. But I guess we can do what it says there. Please enter an age between 0 and 110. And again, that really shouldn't happen, but can put it there just in case. All right, so maybe we'll try some ages here, try a -1. If it's too big, try a good one. All right, so it seems to be working okay. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.